Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you another simple recipe. So today we're doing grilled sweet potatoes. We hope you enjoy this as much as we do. So to get right into it, the first step is you're going to get 5 medium-sized sweet potatoes. So you're just going to peel them and cut them down into small pieces like so. These 5 should be enough for serving for about 3 to 4 people, and make sure to cut the pieces a bit more evenly so that they can grill a bit more evenly. Once that is done, put everything into a nice big bowl. Drizzle 5 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil and just mix that up. When you mix that up, you're then going to spice them with half a teaspoon of garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste. And then you're just going to mix all that up together. So making sure all your pieces have that spicing on them. And once that is done, we're going to get our grilling pan. So we're going to then put everything on this grilling pan and just spread them out to give them enough space to cook evenly. So this is what it should look like before you put it into the oven on the grill option. So we're going to put them in the oven for about 20 minutes on the grill option at 180 degrees, and this is what they should look like after they've been cooked and very soft inside. So we hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.